Hello everyone, I'm Stellen and welcome to Stone Edit, weekly updates of our inventory. Matarazzo, measuring 126 by 78, this dolomite features a pure white background, accented by sophisticated veins designed for high-end projects. Chantilly, measuring 131 by 76, this creamy quartzite is defined by dark green lines. It features a solid, dense structure with a smooth and delicate surface, offering excellent versatility across applications. Fusion Multicolor, measuring 119 by 74 inches, this quartzite delivers bold colors and strong visual impact, ideal for both interior and exterior applications. Get in touch with our sales team today to learn more. Bye!